Alright, everybody. I kind of messed up a little bit, I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't check my settings before rolling up the mountain. I just recorded a video with the video completely upside down. So, I'm new to this YouTube thing. Don't be too mad at me. Y'all are getting a good old video right now with it correct now. I might be able to flip the image on that on the video file. I don't know just yet, but we're gonna roll on down the mountain. I took some photos for It's Just a Six, Gavin, to sit there and post on my story and show him my truck and the merch that I purchased from his channel. I just decided to bring y'all along on the trip to where y'all could hear the truck with some load on the engine, the exhaust and everything with some load on the engine and whatnot. Sounds like somebody's running out of my house. One of my family members. We got the good old Ring doorbell. Not a paid endorsement or anything. Really good system. Just throwing that in there because I heard it go off. Ring doorbell, please don't sue me. So, what I was talking about a little bit earlier was if y'all have just checked out this video, then I do have one video already posted on my channel besides this one, which is the basically kind of like a reveal video, the first video for the channel, pretty much showing y'all what's up with it, with the truck and whatnot, showing y'all what I already did before I started posting any videos. Respect our vets, always. Whoever this is, I would very much like to thank them for their service to this country if they end up seeing this and notice their truck on this video. And any other service members, police officers, anyone, first responders, I would very much like to thank them for their service. Yeah, and I will be posting as frequently as possible. Yesterday I really didn't post much of anything due to the fact of I was helping a buddy grab some wood stumps from this place I found the day before. Drive around after I went magnet fishing. Y'all didn't really miss much on the magnet fishing stuff. I didn't really catch anything at all except for some magnetized rocks. The water's flowing pretty good right now since we had a decent amount of rain today. Well, the past few days. Luckily enough today it's drying up a little bit, so wasn't very sketchy to go up the mountain, get a few photos to post and whatnot. I'll probably post them on my story, but they'll probably also be just regularly in my Instagram feed. disrespect to this gentleman, but sir, I would like to go fast. Like Fast and Furious. Live your life a quarter mile at a time. And there's a Toyota right up my rear end, which literally sucks. They're almost completely rotting my rear end right now. They're lucky this is a video and I do not want to rear end them. Well, brake check them and have them rear end me. If I already had my full custom metal bumpers and whatnot, I don't know, I probably still wouldn't do it. I'd act like I was gonna do it. I need a toggle switch for my reverse lights just to mess with people there on my rear end. Make them think I'm gonna do a reverse burnout right into their vehicle, even though nothing's gonna happen whatsoever. Rolling on down the mountain right now. Not really any courtesy pullovers going down the mountain, which really sucks. Which, the only reason for that, I'm pretty sure, is because there's a lot of houses out this way. So y'all ain't really gonna get a very good audio on the exhaust right now from that factor. We ain't really going fast enough for it. But as soon as I get the chance, I'll probably let y'all ride with me all the way to the Mickey D's parking lot. Cut it off there instead of at the gas station right here at the end of the mountain where I started the other video that was inverted. So I can actually get on a little bit and let y'all hear what the exhaust sounds like. Right now we're just cruising, not going really too fast at all compared to what really a lot of professionals, if this was the hill climb out west, could be able to really get this thing at. I've hit that at way faster. Right now I'm just trying to get on to the Mickey D's, get some food, get some good old grub, and then we'll be back in another video here soon after I cut it at I'm probably going to cut it at the McDonald's. But as soon as I get the chance to, I might make another video as of the day of recording this, doing the rear view mirror dash cam install. I might need to get an extension piece to get it to run all the way right above my tow hitch. I don't know as of yet, but that might be an issue that I'll be coming towards. We'll see here in the near future on that one. Gonna stop the video at that marathon right there, but don't y'all worry, we'll be getting a decent acceleration from this truck here soon in the video. I know it's probably boring to y'all guys if y'all are sticking along for this little boring little cruise right here. Thank you very much. And yes, I probably would have passed if there weren't for those vehicles right there. Because that is a passing lane. I think we're gonna go down. No, we're gonna go straight right now, and we're gonna turn at this light instead of that stop sign. The old Pizza King right there. Pizza King sign, anyways. Oh, I didn't know that Maury County Tax Commissioners actually used to be a bank, by the way, if y'all are from around here and didn't realize or hadn't been down here in a little while. Y'all have not noticed that. I just now seen that. And that's third gear being a pain. I'm pretty sure the synchro's out. That will be getting fixed at some point. I don't know when. But it's only when I shift up from second to third, so I'll have to do a little bit more research on that in the upcoming days, a couple days, maybe a week or two, trying to figure out what I can do to fix that issue. And of course, turning and taking their time to do it. That is not very fun. Old Copperoni right there. This is pretty much what my little town looks like right here. This is some of the, not really city life. We do have carpet capital of the world. I'm right over near Dalton, Georgia. Here we're gonna be rolling into the Mickey D's. And as y'all can see, it goes in third gear perfectly fine. From fourth to third, it's just third to second. I don't know what's happening right now. I'm not very good at transmission work. I'm more of an engine knowledge type person than transmission. I'm gonna actually pull a little bit over here for hopefully nobody dings my truck. Oh, Taco Bell right there. Sad thing is, the only reason I ain't going to Taco Bell is because they got rid of my favorite pack, which was the Chalupa Supreme $5 box. That is no longer available, which really sucks. Well, we will see y'all next time on another video, hopefully installing the rear view camera for the mirror mounted one with a dash cam front interface. And we'll see you later.